In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer GoDaddy domain ownership. If you are planning to transfer your GoDaddy domain to another account or user, don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. First, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account associated with the domain you wish to transfer. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy so you can move through this process seamlessly and without any interruptions. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the window and you'll find the profile icon. Click on this icon and select My Products. This will bring you to a page displaying all your active domains. Next, locate the domain that you want to transfer. You'll see a list of your domains, so just scroll down until you find the one you're interested in. Once you've identified it, click on Manage next to that domain. This step is crucial because what we'll be doing next is changing the settings for this particular domain. Now that you've selected the domain, you should see an Additional Settings section. Click on this section to expand the options. Below that, you'll find an option that says Transfer Domain. Click on it, and here's where the actual transfer process begins. Once you're in the Transfer Domain section, you will see a button labeled Get Authorization Code. Before proceeding, however, take a moment to ensure your domain isn't locked. If it's locked, you'll need to unlock it. Unlocking the domain simply makes it transferable, without which the transfer process cannot continue. Go ahead and request the authorization code. This code is important for verifying the transfer request, and you'll typically receive it via email. After you've received the authorization code, you'll want to give it to the new owner. This means you'll need their account information. So, before proceeding further, make sure the new owner has a GoDaddy account set up. To complete the transfer, they'll need to log into their own account and initiate the Accept Domain transfer using the authorization code you provided. The new owner can do this by accessing the Domains section in their GoDaddy account, selecting Transfers, and then choosing to accept the domain using the authorization code. During this step, there might be a few additional prompts to follow, but overall, it's straightforward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your GoDaddy domain ownership to a new account, ensuring a smooth transition to the new owner. Remember, this process might take a few hours or up to a couple of days to complete, so a bit of patience is required. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for transferring your GoDaddy domains. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out for further assistance. Happy transferring!